If you can analyse a site from your desktop instead of hours and hours of going to open inspections, what you'll find is you can analyse sites like that, and you only go and inspect the property when it's met your criteria. Make sure that you can target the right suburb, analyse that to critical level of detail so that that strategy that you picked and that suburb is going to work. I can keep it, but I don't have to. Then you go, should I keep it? Is the intrinsic value worth more to reno the house than it is to demolish it and put something new in its place?
Yeah, it's really, I would do it.
Done in a way where you understand exactly how your mindset impacts on your property success.
Go for it, because you'll get great value out of it.